Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a Mailchimp sign-up form to WordPress. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password here. To add my Mailchimp sign-up form to WordPress, first I need to create a sign-up form from scratch. To do that, click on Sign Up Forms below Audience. Click on this Create New Form button. Now click on Embed Form. Give your embedded form a name, for example, for a video. Select the audience you want to use for this embedded form. Click on Begin. And this is your form. Now you can edit the form fields, for example, to ask for the first name. Let's make it required, just like that. You can also edit the form title, this subscribe. Let's call it subscribe to my newsletter. You can also tag the subscribers coming from this form. Just select your tag from this list. Now click on continue, and this is your Mailchimp sign up form embed code. Copy it just like that. This is the WordPress website I will embed my Mailchimp sign up code into. First I need to log in to WordPress dashboard. Click go to pages. Let's create a new page. Let's call it subscribe. Now just write slash and follow it with code. Select custom HTML, paste your embedded code here. You can preview it just like that. Now let's publish this page. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial and visit it. And this is how to add a Mailchimp sign up form to WordPress. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.